All right, here's some welds. All the way back to the back seat. All the way along the rocker panel. And I got to finish up those little 4 last ones tomorrow and beat that guy straight. And then this guy, that guy is going to go welded in next. That's the seat base for the driver's seat. That guy gets welded right in here, and there's the holes where the bolts come up from the bottom. That guy sits right about there. Then we're going to do that front seat there. We're going to replace that. It's just super thin. It's not totally rusted out, some surface rust, but I'm going to replace that front half. I want to do this right. I don't want this thing to rust out 10 years from now or 20 years from now. So I'll be doing that next.